NTT Data is one of the leading services companies in the world.
The company has a vast reach of clients globally and have clients all over the world and from different industry.
Customer choose to work with us because they trust us, because we build up a trust relationship with them over the years. They see us as a trusted advisor.
NTT Data offers many opportunities in development and in my growth as a professional and as a person.
The company has a very diverse and open culture. I believe that I will enjoy working here.
The colleagues are very helpful, also cooperative. We always chit-chat with every colleague, share our experience, giving a help when we are facing a difficulties.
I've been working with NTT Business Solutions for the last 12 years and I experience innovation along the way in variety of forms. Business uses the power to obtain the information what they need for the day-to-day business activities and they get the insights faster.
I take pride in my projects and the things that I do.
Giving the customers positive experience is an accomplishment.
I'm very proud of being part of this fast-growing organization.